Now as you can see in the screen, what is cover letter? Cover letter is basically used in while you are applying for some job, or while you are applying for some higher studies. Then you have to fill up a form, application form. You have to attach some documents, all the documents that are required to be attached, and along with all those details in the form of documents, you have to attach a cover letter. When you will submit all the details, so people may not have enough time to understand, but in the cover letter you will briefly mention the you will highlight the points about your higher studies or achievements that you may have. You have to write them in the cover letter. Cover letter इसी यहाँ पे use होता है, right? So cover letter is basically used while applying to any for applying for job purpose. When you are writing filling up an application form, you have to attach all the documents, and along with all those details you have to paste the cover letter as well. Okay, so in the cover letter, why then it is called cover letter? Because first you have to put the cover letter in the first place. You have to keep the cover letter at the top. Okay, and again in the cover letter you will definitely write the sender's address, that address to whom you are sending, that college, that university, that company, or any kind of workplace to where you are sending the cover letter. Then you have to give the date of sending that letter. Then you will give salutation, esteemed sir, respected sir. Okay, then you will write in the body, and I will tell you after some time what you will write in the body. Before that, after completing the body section, then you will come back to the receiver's address. Okay, and you will give the address of the receiver and complimentary close, right? Now in the body of the cover letter, what you should write? In the body of the cover letter, you should write that why you are requiring this position, requiring this job. If it's a case of job, then you have to write why do you need this job. Or if you are pursuing for higher studies, then you should give the requirement of writing or getting this position. Suppose you are you want to do PhD, you passed the online entrance examination, and now you are writing, you are sending all the details for the interview. So when you are sending and filling up the final application form, so you can attach the cover letter. It is not necessary. In some of the places it is necessary, but not compulsory. Okay, so in the body of the cover letter you will write why do you require this position. You have to justify, you have to defend. Okay, if suppose you are writing cover letter for your higher studies, in case of PhD or MPhil or any research projects, then you have to give the details that you are going to work on this research issue. You have already have enough experience, or 2 years, 3 years experience on this issue. You have publications on these aspects of this research area. So you are thinking to work on this particular issue. So I request you to grant my application, so that I can work in a better position like in your workplace. Okay, so this is how you have to write in the body of the cover letter. Cover letter is a kind of application letter, you can say, but application letter is written in all general official purposes. Cover letter is written only in either job purpose or in higher studies purpose. Okay, so this is the basic idea of cover letter.